Hey everybody! I finally got my Patreon page up and running. There was a glitch in it last week, so I had to take everything down, and now it is ready for people to become subscribers. Now for $5 a month, you get to see video content that I don't post anywhere else. You will not see it on Facebook, on Instagram, or on YouTube. Nowhere else. You will only see it on Patreon. You'll get to see me in the morning. You'll get to see how messy my craft room is. You'll get a tour of my craft space that I'm filming in right now. I just reorganized it and I love it so much. It's so clean. It will never be this clean again. You'll get to see what I'm working on, upcoming projects that don't have to do with anything else. They're just things that I love working on. And anything else that I feel like posting, I am gonna post it on Patreon. I'm gonna shout out to my friends and all my patrons there, and I'm gonna take your suggestions on craft projects you think I should try to tackle. So, if you like what I've been doing, if you like the content that I create, and you want to support what I do, I really hope you'll consider subscribing to me on Patreon. I'm gonna leave a link below in the description. And fingers crossed, I hope you'll join me there. All right, bye. See you on Patreon.